The brave and beautiful queen. Esther was the queen of Persia. Even her husband, King Xerxes, didn't know her secret. Esther was Jewish. Esther's cousin Mordecai worked at the palace and looked out for her. Xerxes' advisor, Haman, received a great reward. He was very proud. Everyone except Mordecai bowed down to him. Haman was insulted. He vowed to kill Mordecai and all the Jews. Haman told Xerxes that the Jews were dangerous and should die. Xerxes agreed and set a day to kill them. Mordecai was terrified and sent a message to Queen Esther. Change the king's mind, said Mordecai. If I go to him without his invitation, he can have me killed. Esther replied. Perhaps you are made queen just for this moment, said Mordecai. Esther bravely agreed to try. She went to the throne room. King Xerxes was amazed by her beauty and invited her in. Can we have dinner with Haman? She asked. Haman was building a plant to hang Mordecai on it. Then the king's invitations arrived, so Haman went to the palace for dinner. All man wants to kill me and my people, the Jews. Esther told Xerxes, who will do such a thing? He asked. The evil Haman, Esther cried. Haman guards put him to death. So Haman was hanged on the gallows he had built for Mordecai. Because of Esther, the Jews were saved. They celebrate with a great feast, which they observe to this day. God allowed Esther to be the queen at this time to save the Jewish people from death.